Have you started using AI yet? It doesn't have to be overly complicated, and it doesn't have to cost you a lot of money with all of these extra tools and stuff. All you need to do is to figure out what are you doing on a repetitive basis, and then is there a tool or an automation that will speed up everything? Well, follow along. I'm going to show you two of my favorite tools and how easy it is to implement these AI tools in your business. So let me just share my screen here. Let me find the right one. Got so many little tools here. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is Sora, Sora. I've talked about this before. I'm sure that there's another YouTube video on here someplace that talks about it. But basically, you create an account, and this is free, this part. And down here at the bottom, you just describe whatever story that you want. And it creates this 10-second video that is, stops the scroll. So I was having a lot of fun with the whole deer hunting thing. So I won't bother going through these and showing you, but I just dictated what I wanted it to create, and then it created the video. So that was step one. So let me come back here just for a quick second. So in other words, I use this free tool, literally takes less than 5 minutes, create a quick little video, and then I'm going to use that video in my social media. Now, the next tool that I want to show you is, let me hop over here to Blatato, and I've talked about this one before. Now, this is a paid tool, but of all the AI tools that I use, trust me, I use this one every single day because it is so easy. So a couple of things it can do, you can add your references over here on the left. So if I have a long form YouTube video, for instance, and then I want to quickly turn that into social media posts, I will just add the link here. So if I click on add source, I can add the YouTube URL there. I can put, I don't know, like an article, news article, the text, if I'm just using the transcript, whatever it is, I can add the source there. And then it can make the social media, I'm trying to find my words here. It'll make the social media post for you. Or over here on the right, I can say, let's say, write a blog post about some easy ways to get started with AI. Search the web and get some trending information. I don't know. I'm just talking on the fly here, but it will quickly go through and it will come up with that. And then all of a sudden, look what happens here. LinkedIn, here is a LinkedIn article ready to go. Now, I would want to read through this, put it in my own voice. And I could actually, what I should have done is you can have it select multiple posts. So LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and see what it's doing. Just like that. Now, let me come back here just for a second to see if you caught that. Less than 5 minutes to create a video post. And they're so entertaining. The whole idea is we want to create something that's going to stop the scroll. So I was into this deer hunting little episode, so I just created some things. Then I came over here to Blatato, and I just said, hey, I want some engaging articles that I can post on my social media that help people get started with AI. So it went out, searched the web, and it created these. That was less than 5 minutes. Now, you want to see even more powerful. Let me share my slides again. So now here's Facebook, still learning AI and getting nowhere. Read through that, make whatever changes that I want. I'm also talking about a little tracker that I've created, and so there's that call to action. Now I've used this tool enough that it's getting to know me, know my language, know different things that I'm offering. Now here's the other really powerful thing. Down here where it says add media, I can have it auto generate some media for me or a video, or I can upload a file. And get ready, kids, because remember those little videos that I created on Sora, those 10-second videos? I downloaded those, and I'm just going to add that video right here. And so here it is, these two little deer hunters talking. I'm going to save it, get ready, and now click schedule. And where do I want to put this? I'm going to go ahead and make it a reel since it's a video, and it'll take just a couple of minutes here. So let me come back. couple of seconds, really. It doesn't even take minutes. So let's recap. In the short time that you're watching this video, went to Sora, Sora, and created a quick little video. Okay. I didn't have to know anything technical. I just said, hey, have these two deer hunters talking in the background, et cetera, et cetera. All right. Then downloaded that video. Then I went over to Blatato and I said, hey, I want to create a social media post, search the web as far as what's trending, what people are talking about. It wrote the article, just tweak it a little bit, attach that video that I just created, and now I'm going to post it. So let me come back here. So now it said here, your post has been published and I can actually view it. So let's just come over here to my Facebook post. And here it is. And then over here to the top, I don't know if you can see that, there is the article that I wrote. So how complicated is that? You can do it. Doesn't take a lot of tech skills, doesn't cost a lot of money unless you choose to. Blatato, as I mentioned before, it is a tool that's well worth the money. I'm an affiliate. I'll put the link down below. Even if you don't use my link, it is a game changer because I don't even have to think twice. I can show up regularly in my social media. I always have some fresh new content. And when I combine it with this other tool that's free and it's just a lot of fun, I mean, how cool is that? So what tools are you using? Have you started using AI? Don't get lost in the dust. Go ahead and try it. Tag me whenever you're creating something. I would love to see what you're creating. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.